Hey, Megan here. So my last video I showed you how I was doing the experiment with silica gel, silica beads, and my birthday bouquet that my husband got. And I had a bunch of flowers left over that I needed to press too because I want to make sure that they stay okay. It was such a pretty bouquet. So I'm going to show you how I press flowers in the microwave. It saves so much time and is so much cheaper than one of those crazy kits that you have to buy on Amazon. So let's do it. So all you need to do this are 2 paper towels and something to press down. I am using a vintage Pyrex baking dish. Cinderella bowl, I guess it is. It's not a Cinderella bowl, sorry. So all we're gonna do is just put everything down. I've already cut these in the last video, so and I'm gonna separate this guy just a little bit. Okay, this is a good first start. So let's get this in, cover it, press down, and into the microwave they go. Just gonna carefully put this here and set this on top. I don't want to press down, but I do want to make sure. Sorry guys, it's actually a little too wide, so let's try that. I want to make sure that all of the flowers have some pressure on them. Okay. Let's try 30 seconds. Just in case. Oh, it smells like flowers. Awesome. Alright, so the consistency we're looking for is flat and dry. Okay, so we're not quite there yet. We still got a couple to go. So let's do another 30 seconds. And this is just going to have to be trial and error for you. Now, normally, it is not advisable to put vintage Pyrex dry in the microwave, but since there's moisture in there, I'm hoping it'll be okay. If not, I'm sure people will tell me. Aha, there we are. There you have it. So what I'm going to do now, you see, this guy turned pretty brown, but that's actually okay, that'll work out. I'm not quite ready to use these yet, so what I'm going to do is wax it. I bet it would be really good if I had like a small rubber spatula or something to lift these up rather than my fingers. But I didn't think of that until right now. And I'm gonna put these in a book, a very apropos book, I think, while I'm waiting to use them. You gotta come over here. And there you have it. That is how I dry flowers. Right in the microwave. So easy, so cheap. You can do it too.